Welcome to this week in review for Star Atlas. I'm Matt with Intergalactic Herald. Today I'm going through our Recap 53 for the last week. You can find all the links to this from this video at intergalacticherald.com and look for Recap number 53. First up is Metaverse Explorer. He posted a new video where he went through the latest updates and video that Star Atlas released. Star Atlas itself released their Atlas Star issue 16, where they go through many things, including a lot of information on the economy and some roadmap updates. Atlas Theory did a reaction video to the latest sneak peek that was posted on Twitter from Star Atlas. The Hologram News Network did their update on the gameplay features, some roadmap updates, and discussion about the cash flow issues of Star Atlas. Metaverse Nomads posted their weekly live stream they do of Star Atlas and other economic or crypto economic issues. Aphia posted their weekly newsletter of Star Atlas, where they went through a lot of the updates that occurred the past week at Star Atlas. Glider posted his reaction video to the Star Atlas sneak peek video that was released on Twitter. Metaverse Explorer went through the video that was released that may show some Sage gameplay. And Metaverse Explorer also posted a new video where he answered some frequently asked questions about Star Atlas. So if you want to find links to all of this information, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for Recap number 53. Thank you.